Okay, these are our last two problems that got cut off in the last video, but what we found with the ant in the book is that between 0 and 1 were 16 little dashes. So that's where we got our bottom number, because the bottom number is your total, your overall. And then the top number is 14 because the ant is 14 little dashes long. So my fraction for how big the ant is becomes 14 over 16. And I'm just going to leave it like that. We could simplify it, but we're not going to do that right now. And then number 13 said, now make this fraction a decimal. And so remember, to make a fraction a decimal, all we do is divide. So we did 14 divided by 16, and we got 0.875. And that is numbers 12 and 13. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.